Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your projects in the CapCut cloud. So if you have already backed up your project in the CapCut cloud, but you want to remove them, just go to the CapCut cloud first in the home page. Okay, so in here, this is my space, and you can see your projects in here. And to delete them, you can just click on the three dots icon beside the project, the name of the project, and you'll find the delete button. Just click on delete, and after that, the project will be delete completed from your CapCut cloud. So that's pretty easy, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.